here we begin. Rear brakes, forward escape. Those right there, those are caps, and you gotta take them off to get to the slide pins, bolts, whatever you'd like to call them for the caliper. And here, I'm poorly showing you that it is a 7mm hex head. That's why I used to take those slide pins off. Using my trusty flathead screwdriver to pry off the caliper. Now that I got the caliper off and the pads out of the way, I can get the bracket off now. And that is 2 bolts. Now I got the bracket off. Now I just need to get the rotor off, and I like to put a lug nut on a little bit, just so that way the rotor doesn't go flying when I hammer it off. So here I am scraping off the rust with a wire brush, and then I'm applying anti-seize, just so that way in the future when the car needs brakes again, hopefully it won't be too bad of a job. Make it a little bit easier to get the rotor off. Here I am taking a cutoff wheel to get the rust off the bracket where the hardware for the brake pads go. I do that because if I don't, the brake pads won't fit in there at all, or if they do, it's a really tight fit, and you don't want that because it could, the brake pads will get stuck, and then they'll probably wear even faster than they should. So, yeah. Now I'm just putting the bracket back on, and then the brake pads will be next. And when I put the brake pads in, I also like to put grease on there, just the ends. You don't want to overdo it and put too much, or else then it'll get. You don't want it to get on the rotor or the pad itself, the material. And that is the slide pin, I guess, for the caliper, you could say. I like to clean it off, any debris. I'll just take a wire brush it off. If it's too bad, I'll take it over to the bench. And then I put some lubricant on it. So it'll slide nice and easy. So here, now I have to depress the caliper itself so that way it'll fit over the brake pads. And that contraption that I have there is for calipers that you have to press it in and turn it at the same time. And what I use is it's from Harbor Freight, and I've used it many times on all kinds of vehicles. Ford, who else? I don't know, but it works really well, even though it's Harbor Freight. I would recommend it. Brake pads are in, caliper goes on, and then I tighten up the pins for the caliper. That's pretty much it, other than putting the tire back on. So there you have it. Brakes all done. Ford Escape. I don't know. It's not bad. You just gotta have the right tools. But so if you guys have any whatever suggestions or ideas for me to do something different, maybe, or whatever, I don't know. I mean, I'm totally new to this, so I'm just winging it, really. I'm making crappy videos and hoping someone thinks it's alright. But, yeah. What do those YouTube people say? Like, comment, subscribe. Do that. And then, yeah, so, yeah, give me suggestions or whatever. Just don't be mean about it. What is that saying? If you don't have anything nice to say, then frug off. Oh, wait a minute. I don't think that's how it's supposed to go.